get it. Finished 7 Mile Rim and it's 3 o'clock, so it's time for some ice cream at the Moab Diner. Ah, new one. Very nice. It was pretty good. Now we're off to Sego Canyon to check out the rock art and the old mine ruins. Came across some horses in the middle of nowhere on the side of the road. I thought they were wild horses. The wife didn't seem to think so. It didn't look like they had shoes on. Horsey! I offered them some apple as a gesture of friendship. They didn't want nothing to do with the apple. Glad I used my wife's. I found it kinda odd why they wouldn't eat the apple though. I've owned horses growing up. We used to feed them apples and carrots, and maybe because there's no apple trees there? What are you doing back there? Nope. So the artwork here was left by the Ute Indians.
Did you say Utes?
Yeah.
What is a Ute?
Some of the artwork was a little hard to find on the walls because it blends right in, but we did find some. One that we found was vandalized a little bit. Then we found an old coal ghost town. Remnants of old coal town. Not much. Yeah. Wish I had my metal detector. Yeah. Made a little root cellar. Another structure from the old coal mine. This was an American Fuel Company store. Duty. This is what the town looked like in 1920. There's one over there to get in too. Hell, whose size is the door to, or whatever opening was? Huh, there's some kind of metal structure in there. Part of a track. Another door. Another building. I'm not sure what this building was for. It was behind the company store. It's getting dark. Well, back to the hotel to get a few hours sleep, and then off to Anticline Overlook. What's this one called?
The cave house.
Oh, that's easy. These cave houses range in many sizes too.
I remember this story if we can't get there. Oh,
Hello. Oh, it's locked from the inside.
literally, it's just a little efficiency.
Huh. Cool. We're locked out.
Nice sofa.
I don't want to go in there anyway. Ruin something. Apparently someone... I don't want to get the floor dirty. Someone broke the glass out. Ooh, casting couch. These guys have some updated furniture.
Looks like the varmints are having a field day. Getting bedding.
Cocky on the floor there. What kind of cocky? Coyote?
Sleeping bags.
Oh,
A fire.
maybe some homeless people.
Might have been somebody
Staying
that
here at
escaped
night.
from prison.
This is the one trail I regret not doing while I was here. He got a long way to go, and he came from all the way down that way, with Laura's fat head in the way. Now time for my one and only drone footage. I didn't realize you couldn't use a drone on federal lands, but got to use it once anyway. Enjoy the views. Now it's time to head to Arizona. This is kind of cool. They're built right into the... Look at that.